How to track players with the compass in Minecraft. So first set your world to creatives since we'll use a command block. So just open up your chats right here. So your chats and commands, then just gonna type in give, then your username to give it to yourself, then just type in command block just like so. Click on answer. Now you will be given a command block. So just place it right here and open it up and make sure that the impulse is set to repeat and needs redstone to always active. Now once it's done, I'll put the command line in the description so that you could copy it. And I'm just going to paste it right here. And what you want to do now is replace the name to your or to the person that you want to track. So I'm just going to track myself right here. So I'm just going to type in my username and just simply click on done. And now your chat will be bombarded with these messages. So now what you want to do is just simply open up your commands again and just type in game rule, then command block output and set it to false. So just copy this command. When I click on enter, as you can see, the commands on or the command block output will be gone, so your chats won't be bombarded just like that. Now, after that, what you want to do now is just simply get a compass. I have a compass right here, and as you can see, it just goes crazy since it's tracking myself, but as you can see, it points towards me when I do something. But when you stay still, it will just basically go to where you are. If it just moves like crazy like that, it means that you're tracking yourself. But if you track someone else, it will just basically point towards them or point to that person that you want to track. And one more is just simply go to on top of your command block. Then just paste in this command that I'll put in the description, click on enter so that this will be loaded. So I've already loaded it right here. As you can see, I have marked the chunk. But basically what this does, so I'm just going to do it again and paste it right there. So it will just basically mark the chunk that will be marked right there. So just make sure that you put that. And that's how I basically track players with the compass in Minecraft.